Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Both phones must run the latest WhatsApp and have solid power. Once done, connect them to the same Wi-Fi network and enable Bluetooth. This allows direct discovery. Make a fresh backup to Google Drive or iCloud now, because WhatsApp uses that snapshot when moving messages. You should also have access to the old account's phone number and keep SIM or SMS available to verify. This first step ensures data and credentials are ready before any transfer operations begin. You now start the actual transfer. Open WhatsApp on the new phone and select Restore from Cloud or Transfer from nearby device. If using direct transfer, scan the QR code shown on the old phone or accept the Bluetooth pairing. If using cloud, verify the same phone number and allow restore. Make sure both devices stay awake, unlocked, and on a stable connection. Be patient while messages and media download. Large videos take longer, so do not interrupt the process until you see completion. You finish by verifying that chats, groups, and media appear correctly on the new device. Make sure end-to-end encryption and notification settings are set as you prefer. If something failed, check backup integrity, available storage, and that you verified the same phone number. Then retry the restore. If errors persist, export important chats from the old phone or create a fresh local backup before force quitting and reinstalling WhatsApp. This precaution protects data and gives you a fallback if automatic restore breaks down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.